Hello, and thanks so much for your interest in learning more about the rights of agricultural workers and about legal action of Wisconsin's Farmworker Project. It is an honor to represent the workers who feed Wisconsin families. My name is Erica Schweitzer Beckman, and I have been an attorney with Legal Action of Wisconsin for 10 years. Legal Action of Wisconsin is a civil legal aid law firm, meaning we provide representation to persons of low income in civil matters such as eviction defense, housing rights, employment rights, or public benefits concerns. Legal Action of Wisconsin's Farmworker Project represents farm workers all around the state, even though many of our Farmworker Project attorneys are based in Madison.
The Farmworker Project offers free legal advice and representation to agriculture workers, including those that harvest crops, work in food processing, or work on dairy farms. We can help workers who have an H-2A visa or a TN visa. We cover the entire state of Wisconsin, even if you are no longer living here. All of the information that we collect from you remains completely confidential, and we will not share your information with anyone without your permission. The Farmworker Project focuses on employment-related issues, especially workers' rights. For example, if you're not being paid, or if you are not being paid what you were promised, or if you haven't received your last paycheck, or if there are violations in your work contract, or if you have questions about health and safety in the workplace or in employer-provided housing, or if there are problems with discrimination or sexual harassment. We also take calls about Wisconsin unemployment issues. If you are an agricultural worker and have a legal question, call us.
You can contact us by calling Legal Action's toll-free number at 855-947-2529. You can also call, send a WhatsApp message or a text message to 920-279-7025. If we don't answer your call, please leave a voice message with your name, your phone number, and the best time to reach you. We can schedule calls after 5 p.m. or on weekends by appointment. Our entire team speaks Spanish, and you're welcome to communicate with us in Spanish. If a client speaks a language other than Spanish or English, we are able to provide interpreters in the language that the client prefers at no cost to the client.
So I joined the project because as a daughter of farm workers, I know how difficult it can be to access resources or even fully understand your rights. And so now part of my job is to be able to make those resources accessible and be able to explain those rights. So when we think of Wisconsin, we may think of cheese and dairies and farms and whatnot. And you find farm workers in all of those things. Farm workers literally feed us. Yet they are so vulnerable because many live in very remote areas and they depend on their employer for their housing, their immigration status, their livelihood. And so, they are very vulnerable, and with that vulnerability comes many things. And so it's our job to be accessible and available to farm workers.